Hello guys, good day. Welcome to Seman Questions. So today we have a good weather. We will show you how to test the VHF daily. This is a daily test. So we have a 2 VHF 1 and 2. We will test first the starboard VHF. The VHF number 1. First, press the menu and go to the maintenance, which is number 8. Press enter. Enter for self-diagnosis. Transceiver enter. And enter again to start the test. So we will wait for a few moments for the results. When the highlight is go back to all and the result is completed for transceiver, the result is all okay. Press cancel to go back to the menu. Go to number 2 controller. Press enter. Enter. Wait for the results. Press enter to stop the sound and press cancel to go back to the menu. By the way guys, our maker is GRC and the model is NCM-1770 VHF controller. And the other way guys to test the VHF is by the DEC RTN button. First, we will set to channel 06. Press the DEC RTN button and put your MSI number where channel is 06. Move down to OK, press enter and it will change the call, and press enter to test your other VHF. And you can hear the buzzer here. Okay, it's showing individual call. Press enter 2 times to test the other VHF. You can hear also the buzzer here. It means it's okay, it's working good. Turn back to channel 16 and we'll test also for the maintenance for the transceiver and controller. Go to menu. You can also push number 8 here for fast way of testing. Number 1, self-diagnosis. Press enter, transceiver all. Press enter and wait for the results. Okay, press cancel to go back to the menu. Press number 2 controller, enter and wait for the results. You can hear the buzzer and press enter to stop the sound. So the result is all okay. So it's all working good guys, all in good condition. Stand by channel 16. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.